Okay, so we're completing this activity down here. All right, so we're on lesson 3. Got an example over here. You should have already copied this bit of code and done task 1. We are down here now, so we're on the second bit of the task down here. Write a piece of code that shows one variable that uses string data type with an input function and then print that statement. And I've broken it down here for you. So create a program to ask the user for their name, and then the next line should say display welcome user's name. So what we're going to go ahead and do is write this program out in Python. So all I've done is open up Python, do file and new, remember. So you do file, new file, and you get a blank template just like this. This will accept, so remember this line here, just a comment. This line here, line number, I'm just going to show the line numbers again. So options, show line numbers. So line number 4 will need to be a string data type. So to convert this into a string data type, by the way, automatically it is a string data type. But just so that you guys are familiar using string data types, we're going to make sure that is shown. Remember, it's important to get your opening and closing brackets, because if you miss them out, you'll get a syntax error because you're not following the rules of the language. So now, this is definitely a string data type I'm using, and the instruction I'm giving to the user is to type in your name. So type in their name. So whoever's using the program will type in their name, and then line number 6 will just say welcome the person's name. So we're just going to give this a run. So F5 to run it again. Remember, it's in OneDrive, yet programming, it's the same folder, and on my lesson 3, this is my second version because you guys will only have one version, but I've just created this again. Type in your name. I'm going to type in a random name, Mr. Smith. Welcome, Mr. Smith. Let's run that again. Mr. Khan. Welcome, Mr. Khan. And just to show you side by side. Right, so there's my code which I've typed up, and there's the output. So this meets the requirements of this here. Create a program to ask the user for the name, and remember it's using a string data type with an input function, and we can see that here. So it's a string data type with an input function, right here, string input function, and then my next line just says welcome. That's a string again, and then we're welcoming the person's name that they've typed in. And now I need to go ahead and evidence this, so I'm just going to go and do my snipping tool. Remember, only get what is necessary. You don't need to get the whole thing. Paste it in, make it a reasonable size so we can see what's going on. Remember to square it off, and then this time underneath I'm going to put in the actual output, which is down here. So there's the output. That'll do for the output, and that goes underneath. So square that off again. Remember, we squared them off so we could put them side by side and got more control over it. Try to make it like similar size to the text. So, and remember, I'm going to put a border around here so it's more obvious to see what we're doing. And there we go. So we got the code, and there we go. Thank you for watching.